Nemesis Base. Here's one way. 11 Helios. 1 bounty hunter. Now I also have soul runners here. This is just insurance. In case I mess up, I can at least clear the base and get the reward. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring in our bounty hunter and let him run interference for us. So put him here. Control A. Put that there. Now while he's doing that, we're going to use our Helios, clear out all the damage. Now you got to be a little bit careful, because if you screw it up, you won't be a happy camper. Biggest thing I do is I take out all the anti-air, because if I get into a pinch, I can always send my aces in. So I take out all the air. One more right there. Now if we get lucky, if we don't screw up, almost, you don't want these guys to move. If they move, you're going to get damage. All right, that's it. Now we're going to try to get some of this stuff. But you got to watch out, because if they move on you, they will kill you dead. Okay, we're going to put these guys on pause, and we're going to get these guys to interact. So I'm going to move him up a little bit. Control A. Let's put our guys right there. What we want to do is, if we can, good, he didn't shoot us. If he shoots us, we have to scramble. Okay, when the next one arrives, we'll shoot him. Okay, got him. Now it's going to be easy. If you mess up, you have to use your insurance policy, do the other stuff. But basically, this base is now ours. Again, you don't have to kill all this stuff, but I got nothing else to do. Come on. Somehow they got unselected. Oh, that's why. And it's just that easy. If you mess up, you get a little bit of damage. You learn how to do it. Now, I've already got everything, so I'm just getting thorium now. Go and do likewise.